Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. I never say my name when I introduce myself in a video. So my name is Stacy. I'm happy you're here, and today's video I am going to be talking about the Profusion Gem glitter palettes that I have here. I have just 4 of the 6 that recently came out from Profusion website and recently from Walmart locations as well. So if you want to see like a in-depth swatch video / kind of an overview of what I think of these palettes, then keep on watching. Okay, so as far as what the pricing goes for these palettes, it is $8 on their website as of each, and on Walmart I believe it would be $7.99, but I'm not so sure. I'll probably insert it somewhere below if it's that price or not. But so for oh my gosh so for each glitter palette is a theme. So because it says gems, each color story has a different gem name to it. So this one is called Rubies, like ruby gem, and this is what this looks like. Super beautiful, super like a red tone. And I would probably insert swatches as I'm mentioning each palette, so you don't have to worry about waiting around. So this is what that looks like. And then the next one is called Offence Gems. And this is going to be more geared towards purples. Really love purples. I don't have any purple glitter color schemes in my collection, so this is beautiful. The next one is Topaz Gems, and this is more towards the orangey gold spectrum. And the last one I own is Emerald Gems. This is more like a green bluish tone to it. And so the only ones I'm missing is the one that was a natural looking one and the blue one. Unfortunately, I didn't get those. I don't know what happened, but I'll probably get them later. And so now that you've seen the swatches, I would talk about what each has. So the net weight to these are 0.16 ounces, 4.5 grams. It says to discontinue use if signs of rash or irritation appear. Avoid swallowing. If irritation persists, consult your physician immediately. And this is also cruelty free, and it has a 24-month shelf life. And so with what the description says about these palettes, it says shine bright like the gem you really are with this pigment pack pressed glitter palette. The ultra smooth application instantly transforms your look from natural to dazzle in just one swipe with the built-in primer, allows the on-trend vibrant hues to stay on from day to night. And so, honestly, I think Profusion Cosmetics nails it with their glitter formulas. And the reasoning being why I say that is because of how the glitter is made. And it's my absolute favorite. It beats ColourPop and Morphe out of that part, because if I could just describe of how these are made, they're really, really fine. Like, really, really fine. Like, almost like a grain of salt. This is something that you would see in glitter eyeliners. And this is just in a palette. So it makes it so easy to put it in your eye. And there's no chunks of glitter in it. So I just feel absolutely safe using these around my eyes. If I put glitter primer, of course. I mean, it does says it has a built-in primer, but I prefer to be extra safe to put a glitter primer. And that's pretty much like my thoughts of these palettes. I mean, I absolutely recommend it if you really love glitter and you love a variety of color schemes, because the ones that I originally had a first impression kind of is the anniversary one, which was the 20th. And I'll probably insert a card somewhere below if you want to see that. But these are exactly the same formula. They didn't change it. All they did was they added more colors, and I absolutely love that. These are travel friendly. These are lightweight for each of them, and you could pick, like, if you really wanted a purple eye look, you would choose amethyst. If you wanted like a semi-green blue look, like for ocean hues, you would pick emerald. So I think it's a great job, Profusion. Thank you so much, Profusion. If you ever watch this video, thank you so much for making these. It prevents me from buying glitter palettes that could potentially have like a adhesive glue in it, and you're not completely getting glitter on the pan. And I can tell these just have straight up glitter, and they last the whole day. So I did do like a quick eye look with this emerald palette, and I really love how that came out. So if you want to see that, then it would be on the next clip. If not, I'll be signing off, and I want to thank you so much for watching. May God bless, and I hope you continue staying safe. And that's pretty much it that I wanted to have a say on these, because I feel like it could be overlooked if you really wanted a glitter palette. These I could recommend. So thank you for watching, and I'll say bye. Bye. Okay, so I am going to be taking my Flower Beauty Warrior Glitter Shadow. Looks just like this. And then the shade is in Camel. Like that. And so what I usually do is I put this all over my lid as a base. And usually I use my fingers to blend everything out. So this is what this looks like. Really beautiful, almost like a shimmery situation, so I just put it all over the lid. Okay, so this is what the finished product of that looks like, and it's really beautiful. It's really like stunning. And so next I would put a glitter primer of some sort. Mine is an unknown brand, which is called Second Love. Don't really like that name, but it's a glitter primer, and so I just add the tiniest bit on my hand, and I usually spread it and then put it like a light coat on top of the glitter. So just to be sure that we're extra safe with putting any kind of glitter, so just put that on top. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the Emerald Gems palette, which looks just like this, and then I went for this shade right here because it's more like a greenish, beautiful true green, and I already took a little bit, so I just usually use my finger just to lightly put it in my eye. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the Profusion glitter, and it's really like a dimensional glitter situation, and I absolutely love it. It really brings out that cream eyeshadow from Flower Beauty, and you could just see that it's like a green, I don't know, it's just really beautiful. So the last thing I'll do for my eye look is I usually put in a corner shade, and this is my LA Colors highlighter and lighten. And so I would be using this green shade right here. I know like you can't really tell from the pen, but it's a really beautiful green shift to it. So I'll be using my little brush from Dollar Tree as well, and usually I just wet the brush and then I apply it. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So I absolutely love that combo. I've been doing that look for a while, and it's just super easy, super to like complete if you're in a rush, like if you're gonna go to work or if you're gonna go on a date night with your boyfriend, or just for yourself. So this is what the finished eye look came out to be. So I really hope that you enjoyed this short tutorial. It was nothing so detailed. I just really wanted to show you how I did this look, and I'll see you next time. Bye.